Are you tired of having cracked lips? In this video, I'll be showing you some of the products you can use to have a good lip. Okay, so first of all, what I'll be using is this scrub. You must have a scrub. It's a must. It's a must. If you want to have a good lip, you must have a scrub. Okay. Now this is the scrub I have here. This is lip scrub tender brown sugar. This is what it looks like. I'll be demonstrating. Okay, so you guys can see how I achieve a good lip. You all know in Nigeria it's dry season already and everywhere is dry. You don't want to go out having cracked lips. So today sit back and watch as I demonstrate and show you all how to achieve a good lip. First of all, I'll be going in with my scrub. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is the scrub and I'm going to use this to scoop it to scrub my lip. So this is it. Now I'll go in to scrub my lip with this. Okay. You have to scrub your lip well with this. You can leave this on your lip for like a few minutes before you take it off. Okay. But make sure that you scrub your lip very well with this. So you can choose to leave this on your lip for a few minutes before you take it off. But for the essence of this video, for the purpose of this video, I'll be taking this off so you guys will see what it looks like. So I'll be taking this off for the essence of the video. I'll be taking this off because I don't want this video to be long. So I'm just going to have to take it, wipe it off, and then go in with my next on the lip. So the next thing I'm going to apply is this lip gloss. I don't know if you guys can see it well, but I'll be putting out the picture of this lip gloss. This is my number one lip gloss. Okay. See how my lip is. Okay, I can choose to just go with this, but because I just want to add a little color. Okay, you can even see. Can you see? Can you see? It's still okay. It's still okay, but because I just want to add a little bit color, I'll be going in with this lip gloss, this shiny lip gloss. Can you see any lip gloss of your choice? So I'm going to just add this. Okay. Yeah, now I'm okay. Most of the time I go with just this, but if I want to have that a little, you know, I just add this. I just go with this too. So you can use any lip gloss of your choice. You can use lip balm or whatever you have, but just make sure that it's a moisturizing lip gloss or a moisturizing lip balm. You don't want to go in with something that is oily, that is going to help crack your lip. Trust me. So first of all, you have to go in with your scrub. And once you are done using your scrub, the next thing you're going to do is to leave it to sit for about a few seconds or a minute, and then so this is what the scrub is like, and then you go in with your lip gloss, either a lip balm or your lip gloss, any lip gloss of your choice. Now, if you're asking what kind of lip gloss should I use, please use moisturizing lip gloss. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Make use of moisturizing lip gloss. Don't just go for any lip gloss. Don't just go for any lip balm. Make sure it's moisturizing. Don't go for oil based. There's some lip gloss or some lip balm that you use. It's not moisturizing. It even helps to crack that lip. It's going to help crack your lip. So please make sure, I keep emphasizing on moisturizing. Make sure it's moisturizing. You can see oil. So this is how your lip is going to look this period. Please, I don't want to see anybody with cracked lip. If I get you, if I catch you, if I see you with cracked lip this period, Allah, Allah. So guys, please, if you enjoyed this video, do want to subscribe to my channel and please make sure you share. Make sure you share. I love it. See you in my next video. Bye.